Guys, it's your girl Tammy, and we have a new video: trouble with walking, grocery shopping, and taste testing. So let's get into the video and see what's going on.
Hey guys, so welcome
Hey,
to
Amber.
a new vlog. How are you?
I'm
doing
doing
okay
well
myself, thanks for asking. So I actually just got done getting ready. I've been just listening to my friend on Marco Polo. If you guys don't have that app, you definitely need it. It's amazing. Like, it's kind of like FaceTime, but also kind of like Snapchat, but also maybe even sort of kind of like YouTube. I don't know how to explain it. It's really awesome though. But anyways, I'm actually about to just go outside. I think I'm going to do a little bit of walking. I am a wee bit swollen today compared to normal, because yesterday I did a lot of doing, and usually when that happens I do get a little bit more swollen. So usually when that happens, also my breathing isn't as good, so I'm kind of just going to embrace it, though I really do want to go for a little mini walk. My mini walk is like a little over 3 minutes, which I do want to share with you guys. Last time that I did walk, I took a screenshot. This is a screenshot. As you can tell, some photos down there. I walked for 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and it was outside, a little bit of hill. So I'm very proud of myself for that. That makes me really just excited. I don't know. I remember a few months ago when I can only do 1 minute and 16 seconds.
You know, at her size, walking is awesome. Especially even a little walking. As long as she's up and actually doing things, it's going to help her endurance. It's going to help her stamina. It's going to, like I say, you know, when you go out for a walk, you get those endorphins kicking. And, you know, it's all in all good. I mean, like, if you're not feeling well, or, you know, you're depressed, go out for a walk and see how you feel afterwards. I tend to always feel better. It's like, it's good because when you go out for a walk, you think about things and you think through things. And, you know, with the endorphins kicking, it just makes your mood so much better.
So I'm gonna get up and walk. I'm not sure how much you guys are gonna see, but I also have my little stopwatch thing here.
Excuse me, guys.
And yeah, so I'm just gonna do an unedited version of me walking. So I'm about to press start when I go to stand up, and yeah, so let's do this.
Good for her. Makes me feel good when she gets up and she's out walking. I just wish she would do it more often. Look, even Twinkie's going with her. Good for her. If only she would do that like a couple times a day, like the doctor had suggested for her. Try to keep moving, girl.
Walking in place.
Where's Twinkie? I don't see Twinkie. Did you just leave Twinkie behind?
So hot out here.
Good for you. Oh, she's not even going to stop. She's going to do some more. Good for her.
Oh, my back hurts.
Oh, here comes Twinkie. Twinkie's going to be your workout buddy.
My breathing is really bad today.
Oh. There you go, girl. Take a break and do it again. Good.
So, 2 minutes, 19 seconds. This is a wee bit disheartening. It is really hot out here, and I told you my breathing isn't that great today. My back hurts today, but that's not what stopped me. It was the fact that I just could not breathe. Honestly, I'm not going to let it get me down.
Good.
I promise I'm not going to. I'm going to keep trying. I just know that every little bit that I do
is helping.
Is better than nothing.
Exactly.
And I do know that I walk a little bit faster now. When I walk slower, I'm able to go farther. That is something else I noticed. If you guys kind of go through the same thing, DM me on Instagram and tell me, should I be trying to walk faster in a shorter amount of time, or should I try to walk a little bit slower in a longer amount of time?
I think slower at a longer amount of time. The whole thing with walking is you don't want to walk to a point where you're out of breath. When she starts to get out of breath, she should sit and take a time out until she collects herself and can breathe normally. And then maybe get up and do a couple more minutes. I mean, that's all she needs to do. I mean, at this point, at least she's getting up and she's moving, getting her circulation going, and, getting those endorphin pumping. And I think she'll feel so much better.
Okay, so we're at the Kroger right now, and my car is so full. Like, we went
shopping.
I have been really bad with cooking at home lately.
We know.
I don't really eat at home. I eat my meals and all my snacks. Literally, I eat them like fast food or like restaurants, takeout, and stuff like that. So I don't want to overwhelm myself. I'm taking this kind of slow and really wanting to like incorporate like better foods in my life. Again, like not everything I got is healthy. I'm starting kind of slow, but I know this is gonna like help me and ease my way back into like cooking and such. So this is everything I got. The cart is crazy full. Becky and I both got just a bunch of random things. I also got a cat bed, so don't mind that. But it's just like a lot of different stuff. And right now it's storming so bad outside. It's like literally freaking me out. So we're gonna have to drive in that. That's cute. You guys are currently sitting in my purse. We're gonna do a little taste test. So right now I'm vlogging from my phone. The video that I uploaded yesterday, I'm pretty sure I vlogged with my camera. I started to do this vlog with my camera, but it's so complicated. Super bulky, because I have a tripod on it. And the process to get the videos off of my camera onto my phone to edit, or even onto my laptop, which would take even longer.
I'm waiting to get monetized to upgrade. I actually do all this on my phone. And to me, it's a pain in the arse. So I don't think I'll ever get to the point where I get 1,000 subscribers and I could actually get monetized. But so up until that point, I use my phone, girl.
It takes hours, and it's just like the Wi-Fi here is not good. So it takes literally hours. I'm just like, but I prefer the quality of my camera. So I'm just like, I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to stick to using my phone for now, as upsetting as it is, because I really do prefer the quality of my camera. So I got 2 little snacks that I wanted to try. I got this from the Asian aisle. So if it's not Asian, don't knock me. They're crispy coconut rolls with sesame. I'm gonna try those. And then I got this from the Mediterranean aisle. If it's not Mediterranean, not my fault. It wasn't me. It was the store. These are in the brand Click. They're carryout pillows. I have no idea. It says nougat-filled crunchy cereals coated with milk chocolate. So I don't know. And it's definitely in a different language. Can you guys see that? Oh no, it's really blurry, but it is in a different language, so.
But Amber, don't eat a whole friggin' package. I mean, that's what gets you, or what has gotten you to the point where you are right now.
It's definitely not American. So I'm gonna try this though first. All right. Smells like coconut, which to me is
coconut.
one of the best scents. So they look like this, literally just coconut. They're not bad. There's nothing on the inside.
I wanted to stop the video because remember how she keeps knocking sodium, like, I keep going back to this, but I mean, it's a point of reference where the weight loss doctor's diet was too high in sodium, and then when she got her tooth out, the foods that she was eating were high in sodium. When she did her weigh-ins, she had too much sodium, so she was swollen. And she acts like, you know, sodium's the enemy, but she keeps going to sodium-rich foods. And she even stated in a earlier, I'm talking like a year ago, that, oh, well, you know, I made some bacon because, you know, I was in the mood for something with some sodium in it. That sodium taste. So she honestly likes the sodium, and I think, like, her taste buds, like she doesn't taste things normally like you or I would taste things. I think her sense of taste is diminished quite a bit. So when she has a taste for something that has sodium or salt in it, she goes ham. And therein lies the reason why her diet is so rich in sodium.
I love the texture. The sugar is very low in sugar, what surprises me. There's only 4 sugars. In American candy or American things like this, there would be a lot of sugar. Alright, so now I'm going to try these. I'm not sure how to open it, I guess. I opened the whole freaking thing, of course.
Yeah,
oh wow, they're a lot bigger than I thought they were
eat
going to
the
be.
whole thing.
It looks like a literal pillow. I'm not sure about these.
I guess Becky's getting those. Becky, I got a treat for you.
Nope. Not today. I don't think I care for those too much. It might be the nougat.
Oh, I
hate
hate
like
that.
The milk chocolate part is good. Now these though, these are where it's at. It literally says on the back, from real coconuts in Thailand to crunchy coconut rolls in your hand. Becky's about to give me a back massage. Woo, I'm so lucky. Oh my gosh. So Becky is finally playing her Sims. She's making her character. Okay, her character's very, very attractive so far. I'm living. Babe, you're doing so good.
You think so?
I know so. Looks really good. Okay, so Becky made me. Her dress is actually black for some reason on
Excuse me, guys.
the camera. It looks kind of like dark blue, but there's literal cat faces on her flats.
Does anybody out there take lisinopril? I take lisinopril for my blood pressure, and one of the side effects is it makes you cough. It's really odd. I don't know. So I'm sorry if I cough in these videos, but that's one of the reasons why. Now, Jesus, I'm starting to sound like Amberlynn, like coming up with excuses.
Let's see if I can show it.
Like, it really does. does look like me. No. Okay, not really. I mean, I'm fatter, but hi. Okay, now Becky, do you? This is Becky's dream.
She doesn't have the full-on poop bun.
Wow, you made yourself skinny.
Yeah, I want to make myself bigger.
Why? You look good.
But that's not me, realistically.
I know. Just keep it. This isn't like a real deal. I mean, because mine is definitely smaller than what I really am. Oh, we're a cute couple, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she says. So I actually think I'm going to end the vlog now. I'm actually just on Netflix watching this game show called Idiot Test. So far, I've gotten all of them right besides one. And there's been, like, over 10 tests. And, like, the actual contestants on the thing, they get some of them wrong. And I'm just like, how are you getting any of these wrong? I don't understand. But anyways, I'm going to go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, guys. So what you guys think of this? I enjoyed it. I enjoy anything where Amber's getting up, getting around. She's talking about cooking at home, which we all know she's been eating out. You can't realistically track calories or anything like that when you eat out. The portion sizes are so big when you eat out. If you guys have noticed, like, there's a lot of times where you're taking leftovers home because you just can't finish it because the portions are just so big. So leave your comments in the comment section of what you thought. And again, bringing up, August 31st, supposedly we're not going to like something that she has to say. My theory is that she's going to be going off of YouTube for a couple months. And if anything, I think it's a good thing for her. So she can focus on herself and her health especially. That's about it for that. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, hi, how are you doing? If you're just a viewer, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And definitely smash that like button if you like this type of content. Keep it going. Let me know. Well, I'll see you guys in the next. Remember, smile and go for your walk so that you feel so much better. Have a great day, you guys. Love ya. Bye.